Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Thank you for being here today. We are from group number 6 and we are here today to talk to you about industrialized building system. This townhouse building project is to design a 3-story townhouse with the use of industrialized building system with a 70% minimum IBS score. In order to understand the concept of IBS in building construction, precast concrete system is used in this building as it is one of the most popular industrialized building system preferred by architects and engineers. This system involves the production of building components as well as erection and assembly of these components into a desired building structure by mechanical means using as little in situ construction as possible. This proposed townhouse is located at Lot 6105 Jalan Pantai Admiral Cove, Tanjung Tuan 71050, Daerah Port Dickson, Negeri Sembilan, with a total built-up area 2,373.55 square feet. The aim of this project is to generate a wider range of application of IBS products by using the precast concrete system in the proposed project townhouse. The objectives of this project are to promote the use of IBS in the Malaysia construction industry and to understand the concept of IBS in building construction. Our conceptual designs of this townhouse is based on design and build. It is a method to deliver a project in which design and construction are contracted. It is in one entity, one contract and one unified flow of work from initial concept through completion. The architecture style of this townhouse project is from the tropical architecture style, where the study of the climate of the oriented architecture, the weather in a place where the mass of the building of group of buildings, and the impact on the environmental link or influence on the tropical surroundings. This architecture had to consider the creation of cross ventilation, shade, the gloom of the interior spaces, surrounding landscape, the lush vegetation, the textured walls, simple materials, and human realities. So now we go to the next slide, which is floor plan. As you can see, this floor plan layout is designed with the consider of the creation of the cross ventilation, shade, and the gloom of the interior spaces. Okay, from the ground floor plan layout, that is porch before we enter to living area, which it can occupy 2 cars at a one time. As when we enter the house, we can see a living area, dining and kitchen. The first floor plan consists of 3 bedrooms with toilet inside of master bedroom and sharing toilet for bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. There is also a balcony at first floor plan as user can have fresh air from outside. Second floor plan consists of 2 bedrooms with a sharing toilet and a living area for family activities. Next is elevation. So we can see that there is front elevation, rear elevation, right elevation and left elevation with each height of level is 3 meter. From the elevation we can see the texture of the walls from the front elevation and left elevation and the steepy sloping roof from the left elevation. I guess maybe some of you can imagine the 3D view from elevation. So now let's print you the 3D perspective view of this townhouse that have been done. Here is the 3D view of this townhouse that have been done with the use of IBS, as you can see from the perspective, resulting in high quality product, safer, cleaner, and a lot of organized. Adoption of this technology on an oversized scale can encourage even lower construction costs, leading to the flexibility to create cheaper quality homes at a quicker rate. Next is isometric. So this is the isometric view with the use of the precast concrete system that is used in this building.
Next, we will continue with the structural layout plan of the townhouse. The structural layout plan is important to determine the location of the column and beams. Structural layout planning started from the lowest floor, which is the ground floor, then the first floor, and lastly the second floor of the townhouse. We can see the dimension of each component from this structural layout plan. Next, we go to the detail of each component, which is the first detail is about the detail beam to column. From the drawing, we can see the beam to column detail. So basically, this detail it is connected with the BSF connectors. We use the precast concrete beams. The precast concrete beam is flexible and configurations. The gap between the column and beam will be grouted with the concrete. Next, we go to the precast pre-stressed half slab. This slab is suitable for the use of housing building and also the building that have awkward shapes. It also can be used in social and commercial constructions. Basically, this slab can be used in the construction projects that have high loading and also lifespan. To increase the strength of the slab, the contractor will use the metal mesh bar that is embedded into the half slab. The third component is precast column. From the slide, we can see the detail of the pile cap to the column. Precast column can be used in multi-story buildings, so the quality of the precast column can be monitored during the production process. For the column pile connection, it uses a starter bar as their connectors. Then the gap between the column and the pile will be grouted with the concrete. In this slide also we can see the floor slab to column detail. Next we move to the next IBS component, which is the prefab staircase. The prefab staircase is hollow, lighter and less prone. It also can be easily positioned and fixed by the semi-skilled labor. For the finishes, we can use the timber and also stones as the decoration of the prefab staircase. The last IBS component that we use is the prefab bathroom unit, which is known as the PBU. PBU are suitable for the project such as the multi-story, as they are easily to be duplicated in their productions. The manufacture of the PBU is done off-site and it is ready to be used when it is installed on the site with the piping system. However, it has disadvantage, which is the design is rigid and also it is inflexible for the future renovations. Next, we may proceed to the next slide, which is the slide 13. On this slide, we have shown our exploded of the townhouse. From the exploded, we can clearly see the use of the IBS component. On this slide also, there is the specification of the slab to slab and floor to beam details. For the skeletal framing system, we use the precast beam, precast column and precast slab as the main component of the townhouse. Okay, last but not least is the conclusion of our slide presentations. We can conclude that the IBS is the prefabrication and industrialized construction concept in Malaysia. The innovation has been promoted worldwide as in industrialized construction. We can see that the IBS as the evolution of the construction using new and innovative techniques rather than a revolution. The classification of IBS should be expanded to cater the scope of volumetric and hybrid constructions. Both of these methods should be able to work to improve the processes collectively. The usage of the construction is important to ensure that the construction industry will obtain the best benefit from this system. Lastly, the IBS put the Malaysian construction industry to produce fast, cost-effective, high-quality construction products to compete the Malaysian construction market. Thank you and have a good day.